Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we will see how we can use dictionary in the Python language. So first of all, we should know what is dictionary in the Python language. It is just a sort of instructions which are enclosed in the curly bracket, in which you can get details by asking values with the help of keys. So what is dictionary? Dictionary is basically based on what? Keys and values. For each and every key there is a unique values, or there is a very unique keys for all the different values. So what does it mean? We will see it here. First of all, you should know what is dictionary. Dictionary is the element in the Python language which is basically what? Which is basically store value in the form of keys with their respective values. So first of all, we are going to today study Python language. So first of all, what topic we are going to study today? The topic name is dictionary. Now first of all, let's suppose any football team. Football team. So dictionary starts from curly bracket, so we will enter curly bracket here. Now what should you do? Now you can enter names of the footballers like Leo. The age of Leo is basically 15. Each and every element in the dictionary is separated by comma. So this is basically what Leo is the key, and the value of this key Leo is 15. So what does it mean? Basically the dictionary is football team which stores so many unique keys, in which one of the key is Leo and the value of this key is 15. It means that every key has its own value, and for every keys and values there is the set which is called dictionary. In this case the dictionary is football team. I hope you are very clear now with what dictionary is. Now let's enter next name, which is James, 17, Amit, 19, Smith, 12, Johnson, 11. So now I have completed my 5 members dictionary. Now first of all, this is the football team which is dictionary. This dictionary every dictionary starts from the curly bracket. So these are the curly brackets which I have opened here and closed here. In each dictionary there are specific values and keys. These keys improvise how much or what the value is stored in the respective key. So there are 5 keys actually. The name of the keys are Leo, James, Emmett, Smith, Johnson. The values of these keys are: the value of Leo, the first key, is 15. The value of James is 17. The value of Amit is 19. So what does it mean? This means that Leo, James, Emmett, these are what? These are keys, and these are their values. So these this dictionary is very helpful in finding out the specific data and the number of sets in the in a very much greater value. You have to find out some specific person's name in a list of uh, in a dictionary of like 1,000 and 10,000 people, and you have to find out the particular name. So you just have to enter his unique identity, like these keys. When you enter any of the key, it display the all the data which are stored in the form of values for the respective key. So what does it mean? I let me show it here. Like I want to know the details of, let's see, Smith. I want to see the details of Smith. Now I will use this parenthesis. After this I will use the square bracket and I will write the key. The key is basically Smith. Now I want to check what value are stored in the key which is Smith. As we have seen that it should return 12 as the value because I have entered the key Smith. Now let's see what the result is. Sorry, I haven't entered the dictionary name. First I have to enter dictionary name as well. So this is the dictionary name. Now let's see what happens with the result. So as you see that after when I have print the football team, and first of all you have to enter the name of the dictionary. So the name of the dictionary is football team, and the key which I want to know the value stored is Smith. Now when I want to know the value, what values are stored in Smith, first of all I should know the name of dictionary and the name of key. These two elements should be known. After that you can find any kind of values which are stored in the particular key. I hope you are very clear with it. Now if you want to check the value of Amit, so what will you write? You will just use this again, football team. This is the basic name of dictionary. Now enter the specific key which is Smith. No, let's say James. So the value which is stored in first key Smith is 12 as we have seen it. Now the value which is stored in second key which is James is 17. So it has bring me the values which are stored in these kind of keys. Now if you want to know all kind of keys stored in the dictionary, then what will use? You should obviously use the for loop, because it is the loop which can give you all kind of values. Although you can get it by passing every unique key, but it takes a very lot of time. Let's suppose there is a data of 1000 or 2000 people, then it is quite a wasting your time to find out each of the value stored in each particular key. So it will take so many time. But if you use it by using for loop, it is very easy. Let me show it here. First of all, copy these steps. I'm not going to write it again. For I, let's suppose all the elements stored is I. For I in what? For I in football team dot, the elements stored is, you can use it like items. This is the basic syntax of utilizing or using dictionary by using for loop. This is the syntax. First of all, you should know for. This I basically is representing the number of keys present. This you can use any kind of alphabet here, but I am using I. It represents the number of all the keys stored. It represents this. Now in the name of the dictionary is football team dot items. To access all the items, you should write dot items. It is very compulsory. Now, sorry, I have entered the code. I have submitted the code. Right now, it is incomplete. So, first of all, we have to complete it. Now, for I in football team dot items. Now, if you want to print all kind of values, then you will write print. Now, you just have to enter key. This key will represent all kind of keys stored in the dictionary. It will print all kind of keys stored in the dictionary. Let me run the code. Okay, so there is an error, which is the indentation error. Now let's see again. Sorry. So this is basically how can you use the values and keys stored in the dictionary. So it bring you all kind of dictionary, all kind of values, and as well as all kind of keys present in the dictionary. So this is the method how you can use the dictionary. I hope you are very clear with it. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So this is the basic method. I hope it's quite easy. Sometimes you forget the syntax, but after that, after the error, you will definitely see and correct your mistakes. Like it happens a couple of times in my code. So this is the basic syntax of using for loop in the dictionary and accessing all kind of keys in the Python language. I hope you are very clear with it. Let's see with another example. Thank you for watching.